AI code audits notoriously hallucinate vulnerabilities. This new model maps exploits with perfect accuracy. ChainRadar here. Today we are covering how AI-powered contract audits are catching hidden exploits. This is a technique that professional blockchain analysts and traders use every single day. By the end of this video, you will have a new tool in your arsenal that most retail traders do not even know exists. Let me explain why this matters. The crypto market moves on information asymmetry. The people who have better data and better tools make better decisions. What I am about to show you closes that gap. This is not about having insider information. It is about knowing how to read the information that is already publicly available on the blockchain. The cross-contract interaction model maps function-level interactions, tracing every possible exploit path. It catches hidden attack vectors human auditors miss. The future of smart contract security is here. Now let me walk you through this step by step. First, I will show you exactly how to access the tool or platform we are using. I will point out the key sections of the interface and explain what each one does. If there are multiple views or settings, I will show you which ones matter and which ones you can ignore. Second, I will demonstrate the workflow with a real example. I am not going to show you a hypothetical scenario. I will use actual on-chain data from the past 7 days so you can see how this technique applies to live market conditions. Watch carefully because I will point out the exact moment when the signal appeared. Third, here is the most important part. The actionable insight. When you see this pattern, here is exactly what it means and here is what you should do about it. I will give you specific criteria so you are not guessing. You will know the difference between a real signal and market noise. I have used this technique myself to identify opportunities and avoid risks. It is not foolproof, no single indicator is. But when you combine it with the other tools I teach on this channel, you build a trading framework that is based on data, not emotion. Now let me show you a bonus tip that most tutorials skip. This is the advanced version of the technique that experienced analysts use. It takes an extra 30 seconds but dramatically improves your accuracy. Pay attention here because this is what separates the amateurs from the professionals. Security insights at ChainRadar.us. Link in the description below. Subscribe to ChainRadar and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new on-chain intelligence tutorial. New videos every single day.